ChatGPT just changed the game again. OpenAI's new AI browser Atlas is here, and if you understand what this means, it could be the single biggest money shift since the invention of the iPhone. Most people will use Atlas to save time, but the smart ones? They'll use it to get rich. Because right now, for the first time ever, you can literally browse the internet with an AI assistant that works for you. It reads, it writes, it researches, and it executes faster than a team of human employees. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn ChatGPT Atlas into real income, starting completely from zero. But stick with me here, because at the end, I'll give you a free training that shows you how to build the systems that make all of this work. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It really helps the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. So let's start with what Atlas is. Atlas isn't just another browser like Chrome or Safari. It's the first AI native browser built by OpenAI that combines everything that you know about ChatGPT with the entire internet. It has ChatGPT built directly into it. That means when you open a page, you don't have to copy and paste text into ChatGPT anymore. Atlas already reads it for you. You can literally say things like, summarize this page, find the key takeaways, or tell me which product has the best reviews and why. And here's where it gets wild. It has agent mode. That's AI that doesn't just answer questions, it takes action. You can tell it to research something, collect data, or even write and send emails while you focus on bigger things. Every few years, a technology changes the playing field. The internet did it, social media did it, ChatGPT did it, and now Atlas is doing it again by merging browsing and automation all into one tool. Think about it. Every time there's a new platform shift, new millionaires are made. YouTube in 2008, TikTok in 2020, and AI tools in 2023. Atlas is just the new wave. This isn't about learning to code or building apps. It's about learning how to use the tools that do the heavy lifting for you. And if you're watching this early, then you're already ahead of 99% of other people on the planet. See, most people will treat Atlas like a toy. They'll use it to plan holidays or write recipes, but entrepreneurs, people like you and me, we see leverage. Atlas can research markets, write copy, compare offers, build strategies, automate outreach, all the boring stuff that used to take hours and hours to do. And here's the thing, when everyone else is wasting time using AI, you can be the one actually profiting from it. Because the wealth gap isn't between the rich and the poor anymore. It's between the people who know how to leverage AI and the people who don't. Okay, so let's break it down. Here are 3 simple business models that you can start with ChatGPT Atlas that can actually make you money even if you're starting completely from zero. Businesses are drowning in admin. They need reports, research, and repetitive tasks handled, but they don't want to pay a full-time staff member to do it. So you can use Atlas to build automation services for them. For example, you can use Atlas Agent Mode to research competitors, summarize client data, and write email campaigns or blog posts automatically. You deliver the work and they pay you for it. You can charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client with almost no overheads on your behalf. Now, I love affiliate marketing because it's one of the only business models you can start with no money at all, and it can quickly replace your 9 to 5. And Atlas just supercharges the process. You can use Atlas to research products, analyze reviews, generate copy, and even build your content calendars for you. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with scripts or emails, you can use Atlas to generate 30 days worth of content in a single afternoon. And if you don't know how affiliate marketing works, that's fine, because I'll give you a free training at the end that walks you through how to build your first income stream step by step. Atlas just makes it faster. When something new like Atlas launches, the early teachers always win. You can document what you learn, record tutorials, write prompt packs, or create AI for beginner guides. People are searching for how to use Atlas right now, so you could be the one that they learn from. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to stay one step ahead and show what you've discovered. That's exactly how online educators build 6-figure incomes from nothing. Now in business, one of the crucial elements of being a successful entrepreneur is the ability to spot opportunities and take advantage of them. The release of Atlas signals a huge opportunity, so here's how you can get started today. First off, download ChatGPT Atlas. Now at the moment it's only available on Mac. It'll soon be released on PC, so be ready for that. But if you do have a Mac, then this puts you ahead of all the PC users. Next, spend 1 week using it. Don't just use it a couple of times, really dive into it, learn every single feature, then choose one model. That could be automation, affiliate, or education. Next, you want to build a simple offer around it. And finally, create one piece of content a day to promote it. That's it, that's all you need. You don't need to hire someone to build your website, you don't need any prior knowledge of tech, you just need action. Because right now, the window's open, but it won't stay open for long. The people who win in 2026 will be the ones who adapt the fastest. Atlas is a tool that can multiply your output 10x, but only if you use it strategically. And unfortunately, the sad truth is, most people will ignore it until it's too late. They'll keep scrolling, keep complaining, and keep wondering why life's not changing. Meanwhile, a small group of early adopters will quietly build businesses that run on automation, AI, and systems that work while they sleep. That's where you need to be. That's where the leverage is. If you're ready to actually turn all this AI potential into real online income systems, then I've put together a free training that shows you how to build your first affiliate marketing funnel completely from scratch. It's the exact system that's helped me and thousands of others to make our first commissions online, and it's the same foundation that AI tools like ChatGPT Atlas can now help you scale even faster. You can grab a copy of that from the link in the description below, completely free. And remember, don't just watch AI make other people rich. Learn the systems that turn power into profit. Because the people who win in the next wave won't be the ones talking about AI, they'll be the ones using it to build freedom. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.